Alright, yo YouTube, what's up? Here at the shop, we had a pretty exciting week this week. We got two brand new pieces of equipment in. First one we've got in is our new Haas TM3P. It's got a 20 tool changer. It's a 3-axis machine. Here soon we may order the upgrade to make it a 4th and 5th axis. Got the automatic chip auger in it. Some other odds and ends. Nothing too crazy, nothing super huge, but it'll bring some pretty cool stuff to the shop that we can do. So, for any of y'all that's never saw the inside of a CNC machine, here you go. Anything you want to say about it, Hunter? Alright. So, pretty cool new machine. This is one of two machines we got this week. This was delivered Thursday morning. And then if you come on down and follow me to the other end of the shop, we got our brand new Omax waterjet. It's a Maxim 1515. It's got a 5'7" by 5'2" cutting area. So we have to wait on the Omax tech to come so we can do final assembly on it. So as you can see, we got the big water tank in the back, then your bridge that your cutting head rides on here. Have your control station over here with your computer, and it comes with this nice toolbox and all of that. Then back here is our big 30 horsepower pump that will pressurize the water up to 60,000 psi and cut through just about anything. Then it also came with our transformer to convert from 230 up to 480. So that's kind of the cool big new stuff we had in the shop this week. And oh, I also forgot, most importantly, it came with a hat. Can't argue with that, can you, YouTube? Alright guys, I'll attach on the video following this. Quality. The video following this clip will be us unloading the Haas with the, it will show the crane truck, our telehandler, everything pushing it into the shop. Then I'll attach some pictures showing the water jet being unloaded as well. So, our plan in the shop today is we're going to get some more work done on building this new chassis. So, alright YouTube, catch you later. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, unlike, unsubscribe, I don't care. We're just here for fun, so. Catch you later YouTube, be sure to check it out. If you like what you see, keep coming.
Pull him out.
What's that?
Pull that truck out.
Never came to pull out. I'm gonna put them skates right in the center on them metal jacks.
Anybody
Put them in place. Huh?
Bust her ass. Yeah, that, I guess it's
probably be easier with the other end in coming in first, so I don't have to turn it around.
We'll be able to get that one end up in the side door there a little bit, I think. Swing it over quick, right before we touch the door.
Well, it's going to go in. It's going to have to go in and then go that way.
Right.
So
we'll just have to turn it as we're going down.
if you're going to do that, it'd probably be best to put turn it completely around.
Swing her over here, try to dig it up in here as far as we can.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
Are we gonna have enough room at that end?
At what end? That end?
Yeah.
I brought the lathes and everything this way 3 feet this morning to give us some
Okay.
extra room.
Okay. This is looking bigger than I imagined it to be.
Oh, it'll look massive when they pull it up on the truck. Like, it'll be tight, but
Maybe we can get rid of one lathe if we have to, or pull it to
yeah.
a different spot, or
Well,
even put it down here if necessary,
yeah.
or put it on this side.
Well, I mean,
Maybe eventually
it could
move
probably
the-
go where that black toolbox is, like maybe in front of the LeBlanc or something. I don't know. But we'll see once we get this down there what it looks like.
Right here, Sammy? I'm talking about your side coming in. Yeah, boom her down a little more. And then after we get her boomed down where we're clearing good, we're quiet where we'll leave it.
not.
Does he not say she's
I don't know.
when I cleaned the office?